All right, welcome back. So this is sort of like a typical problem you're going to see in 10.2. Find unit vectors perpendicular and parallel to y equals 2 sine x at pi over 6 comma 1. So let's start by drawing the picture. Okay, so 2 sine of x looks like so. Okay, remember this is 2 pi, that's the period. This is pi over 2, 3 pi over 2. Pi over 6 is, let's say, somewhere about here. Okay. Sine of pi over 6, that is what? 1/2? Okay. No. Yes, let me just check that against my calculator. Because I'm in one of those days. It is 1/2. Okay, so we're looking at when we think about what's going on at that point. So what's going on at that point is we have this thing here. This point is pi over 6 comma 1/2. Okay, but we also want to find out what is the vector at that point. Okay, so that vector is going to be given by, well, let's take the derivative. That's 2 cosine x. So y prime at pi over 6 is 2 cosine pi over 6, and that's root 3. Okay, so what's going on here? This vector, what happens is, this vector is the vector 1 comma root 3. Okay, what does that mean? As you go to the right by 1, you're going to move up square root of 3. Okay, all right, so now we have to find vectors that are perpendicular and parallel to this. Okay, so parallel is easy. Perpendicular is easy too, but parallel is really easy. So it's just going to be the same vector, but as a unit vector. So 1 over root 3 divided by the norm of 1 over root 3 is, what's the norm of 1 over root 3? That's going to be 10. No, that's going to be 2. Okay. Okay, easy enough. So now, what we're thinking of here is this is some line. So if I called this a line, I would say y equals mx plus b, with m being root 3. Okay, so in order to be perpendicular, okay, your new m, this is what I would tell, say, in a college algebra class, would be the negative reciprocal of that, right? Okay, so a new vector, so a vector perpendicular to 1 square root of 3, is 1, negative 1 over square root of 3. Now let's multiply that by the square root of 3. Square root of 3, -1. Let's find it as a unit vector. I'm not actually saying they're the same vector. Okay. Normalize, and I'm going to get square root of 3 over 2, -1/2. Okay. All right. That's it for 10.2 for now until I maybe make another video later. Okay? All right. See y'all in the next video.